Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, October 31st, Halloween. Friday fun day, saw the markets on the move. They did bounce back, so that's the important thing to note there. So if you look at the markets, we had the S&P down about 0.25%. The Dow was actually positive, and the Nasdaq was down 0.5%, leading the losses. On a weekly basis, the Dow was green for the week, but still trading within that wide range, a couple hundred points here over the last couple weeks. Looking at the Nasdaq made all-time forever highs on Tuesday and a lower weekly close, giving back 1%. And the broad market barometer, the S&P, was down about 0.75% across the board for the week. Looking at the currency markets, we saw some unwinding in the dollar. A new relative high in the dollar last week and a lower weekly close. We closed down 50 points on Friday, 98.34, giving the euro currency a boost back up to 110. That dollar weakness did not help crude. Crude oil made multi-week lows, down another dollar on Friday, 48.70, so backing off and losing $2 on a weekly basis. Gold did benefit from the volatility and the spook in the market with the bombshell news. We saw gold get up to $12.85, ended up settling at $12.77, up $7 and gaining $15 on the week. What was very interesting there was not a flight to quality, not buying of treasuries, even though we had the uncertainty of the Friday news and the FBI information. So we saw treasuries continue to slide down, lowest level since May in price. So we're seeing long-term bonds move rates higher. So after all that excitement on Friday, where do things stand here on this Monday morning? Well, we're a bit positive in the stock indexes right now. We're up 3.5 right now in the E-mini S&P, up 15 in the Dow futures, and up 17 in the Nasdaq 100. Again, all-time highs were just made last Tuesday. Looking at some of these other markets, crude continues to slide down 50 cents right now, and we are at 48.15, down 50 cents. 48.10 has been the session low. 48 was a measure move target on the downside after trading between 50 and 52 for a good period of time, so we'll look to see how that support holds. Gold right now is down $2. Our currencies are quiet, and like I said, the stock index futures are bouncing back a little bit, which is really interesting after the potential for a flush out on Friday, but the markets did come back. So to summarize where we stand right now with half an hour to go before the cash stock market close, E-mini S&P up 3, Nasdaq futures up 17, and Dow futures up 15. A lot of the earnings are behind us right now, and so we'll continue to focus on the election and this financial fallout. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.